How to fix mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever found yourself looking like a mirror image during your WhatsApp video calls, you are not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue quickly and easily on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, grab your iPhone, and once you're in the iPhone, we need to go to the settings app. Simply tap on the settings app. Once in the settings, you need to go to general, and then you need to go to iPhone storage. From here, we need to find the WhatsApp, and simply you need to offload the app. Once you have done that, it does not delete your data, but you need to go and then download the app again from the App Store. If you have done that, we need to go back, and you can simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset, and then you can reset all settings. If this does not work, you need to simply restart your iPhone. You can simply tap on shutdown, and hopefully the problem will be solved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.